You want a dessert, but you don't want to get fat? Try this. Some sweet potatoes, and we're gonna cook them to make them soft. Now that the sweet potatoes are ready, we're gonna scoop them in and mash them up. Now we let it cool down for a couple minutes. Then we are gonna add 2 eggs. Then we're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of maple syrup. 1, 2. Then we're gonna add some cocoa powder, almond flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and some salt. Chop up some organic dark chocolate. This is gonna be used to sprinkle on top, kind of like chocolate chips. And we're gonna add 1 vanilla bean. Sprinkle the cut chocolate and some flaky salt. Now we place it in the oven. Then after you let it cool down, you just cut it up. Now you've got yourself a brownie made with all natural ingredients, won't make you fat, and you can have it as much as you want without feeling guilty. This will be good for you to eat if